Mowing the lawn can be a pleasure if you use the right equipment. Until recently, the main options were petrol or electric-powered models. Now there's another choice, cordless, battery-powered mowers with powerful, long-lived lithium-ion batteries. Cordless mowers have a range of benefits. They're really simple and easy to operate. They're quieter than petrol or electric models, and there are none of the emissions that you get with petrol mowers. With fewer moving parts, machines are lightweight and therefore easy to manoeuvre and carry around. Plus, many models fold down small, so they're easy to store. Maintenance is minimal, especially compared to petrol mowers that need regular servicing. One downside is price. Battery mowers tend to be dearer than their traditional counterparts. A substantial portion of the cost is down to the battery itself. These are compact in size and lightweight compared to old-style batteries. They also charge up quickly and hold their charge and don't lose power in storage. Power varies from 36 volts up to a whopping 80 volts. This determines the cutting power and runtime on a single charge. The battery may well be usable in other tools from the same manufacturer. For an entry-level machine, you're likely to pay from £200 to £350. Expect to pay £400 to £550 for a medium-range mower and £650 to £950 for a premium model. While most mowers are sold as a bundle including battery and charger, this isn't always the case. Always check this, as well as the length of the warranty, which can be different for the battery and the mower body. The chief starting point when choosing a mower is matching the size of the machine to the size of your lawn. A wide cutting width will save you time on a large area. If your lawn is small, a lower battery power may well suffice. Some models have an eco power save mode, and on some premium models you can use 2 batteries in tandem, allowing you to mow for longer. Another consideration is what to do with the grass clippings. Will you collect them up for disposal, or discharge them whole onto the lawn? Or will you use a mulching function to shred them so they quickly rot down to help fertilise the grass? If you want a striped finish, there's a very limited choice of cordless models, almost all cut by rotary action with a rear roller for that bowling green effect. It is possible to get a battery-powered cylinder model for this purpose too. Another key choice is between hand-propelled and self-propelled mowers. If you have a large or sloping lawn with rough grass, a self-propelled model could make mowing easier. First, charge up the battery by slotting it into the charger, then switching it on. An indicator light will show the charging process, which can take anything from 60 to 150 minutes. However, a great thing about lithium-ion batteries is that they can be used when only partly charged. Some brands have the option of a fast charger that takes about half an hour. Once charged, remove the battery from charger and slot into the housing on the mower. Ensure the mower is set up for you to use comfortably. Almost all models have handles that adjust to your height. Then, set the cutting height. All mowers offer a range of cut heights, typically 5 to 7 options, and most adjust with one central lever. Fit the grass collector if you want to collect the clippings. Grass collectors vary in capacity from 30 to 70 litres, which affects how often you need to stop and empty them. Do consider the weight of a full collection bag, particularly if mobility is an issue for you. If you're using the mulching function, this works best when the grass is cut regularly and isn't too long. On some models, mulch mode can be selected with a lever. On others, you need to fit a mulching plug. Safety is paramount with any powered garden tool. Many battery-powered mowers have a safety key that needs to be inserted and turned before they'll start. This is a particularly useful feature if there are small children around. Engage the start button and handle and you're off. Battery mowers are quiet, so there's no need to use safety equipment such as ear defenders. And there's less vibration than with petrol-powered machines, so they're more comfortable to use. Some mowers have a charge indicator, which shows if your mower is low on power. Otherwise, it will be obvious when the battery needs recharging, as the machine will simply slow down and stop. Once you've finished mowing, unplug the machine and empty the grass collector if you've fitted one, and dispose of the clippings, ideally on a compost heap. A hand brush is useful for removing cut grass. Do take care to keep your hands clear of the sharp blade. Wearing gloves is a good idea. Try to get in the habit of charging the battery immediately after mowing. Then you can be sure the mower is ready when you next need it. Finally, store your mower safely away. Many cordless models have handles that fold neatly away. Helpfully, many are also light enough to hang up or even fit on a shelf. Plenty to think about. Although battery mowers are quite pricey, their convenience, ease of use and storage can make them an excellent investment, particularly if the battery can be used with other garden tools.